Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, this is going to be a template preview for the Starburst. This was a request, and y'all know I'm not sure which one y'all be talking about, so I did both the big packs as well as the little minis. And this is what it looks like for the big pack. I just put happy birthday and got that going around so you can see. And I just folded the sides with regular tape, but I did glue this on. And then for the minis, Thanksgiving, Halloween, all of that goodness is coming up. So I thought these would be really cute, like to give out, your kid can give them to her class, and then you could put their name on the back. I thought that would be super cute because, right now they are having these, the little packs of candy on sale in the stores for Halloween. So I thought that was neat. The measurements for both of these will be on my Patreon page. The link to that will be in the description box. But you guys, I think these minis are like super, super, super cute. And I think these would be great for anything that you're doing. Even if you're doing baby showers, weddings, these are just cute. Take these, customize them. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Now on this, I did tape the sides down on the Starburst pack. I'm gonna go ahead and open it to show you guys what I mean. Yeah, it's just taped down on the inside. Let me go ahead and rip this thing open. Okay, so as you see, it's just the regular Starburst pack, and as you see, the sides are taped. Now you can leave them as is and crimp the edges if you want, but I felt this kind of got in the way of, I don't know, I didn't do it, so that's that. Yeah, so I will see you guys very soon. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I'm out.